This is part 2 of my previous video. So there is a part in the Umkhonto weSizwe Constitution that talks about the rights of the rights of the ground forces. I'm gonna read it for you guys. But with everything that they are doing now, they are self-destructing, Mosanditi. They are going against their leaders. They are rebelling. They are not taking the command and the direction and the instruction from Jacob Zuma. They are saying Floyd must be reinstated. So there is a part in their constitution which I want us to read. Let me attach it here. So this is section, rights of the members, section 6. But I want us to head to point number 4. But it's fine. We can read all the points. So point number 1 says that all MK members have a right to attend the relevant MK meetings. Okay, fine. Number 2, all members of MK have a right to participate in discussion on questions concerning party policy at MKP meetings. Number 3, all members of the MK have a right to make suggestions and proposals regarding the work of MKP. Number 4, all members of the MK have a right to offer well-funded criticism. I think this is the part. They have a right to offer well-funded criticism at MKP meetings to responsibly expose or report the MK to the MK any disciplinary or legal violation by any MK structure or member, to demand disciplinary action be brought against a member known to have violated discipline by law. So this part of this section of part 4, it's aligned with them demanding that uDuduzile Zuma be disciplined as well. Number 5 says all MK members have a right to be present and plead their case. I think now the constitution is kind of protecting them. Let me attach the previous poster once again. And it unumber demands zabo. Number 3 says that we demand that the National High Command formally charge and sanctions uDuduzile Zuma, whose actions continue to undermine the collective discipline of our movement. So it seems like they do have a leg to stand on what they are doing, on their behavior. They have a leg to stand on because the constitution is protecting them. But how will this end for them? Because they are self-destructing, and it's crazy to watch. It's actually funny to watch how people can just self-destruct. Some of them are saying, we apologize to you guys for saying ubana we are a liberation movement. This is a feminist talk. Hey, I'm talking about people that were strong supporters of MK. They've finally gotten to the realization. Little if besisasibalandele ngesiphi ngoku ngesiphi kule nto yabo kulo ngxubakaxaka wabo. And then you tell me these are the people that are going to liberate Suga. I was actually listening to Dalimpofu talking with Utsit. I did not even finish that interview. He's saying, Ubana, Tina Sizofana, Abazofana, EFF, they are not loud. Wara. I'm like, Ewana. So yeah, let me know what you think, guys, because wow, good bet.